Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of tracking your Amazon package, ensuring you never miss a delivery. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser or the Amazon app on your smartphone. Enter your credentials to log into your Amazon account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to start shopping and tracking orders. Step 2. Access your orders. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Returns and Orders section, typically found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on this option to view your order history. Step 3. Locate your package. In the Your Orders section, you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Find the package you wish to track. Each order will display its current status. Step 4. Click on Track Package. Next to the order you want to track, click the Track Package button. This will take you to a detailed tracking page showing the current location of your package, the shipping method, and estimated delivery date. Step 5. Review tracking details. On the tracking page, you'll see essential details such as shipping updates, estimated arrival time, and any delays. The tracking map can provide a visual representation of your package's journey from the seller to your doorstep. Step 6. Set up delivery notifications. If you'd like to stay informed about your package's status in real time, consider setting up delivery notifications. You can do this through your account settings or the Amazon app, ensuring you receive updates on any changes to the delivery timeline. Step 7. Contact customer service if needed. If you encounter any issues, or if your package doesn't arrive as expected, you can reach out to Amazon's customer service for assistance. They can provide further information and help resolve any concerns related to your order. That's it! You now know how to effectively track your Amazon package step by step. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks.